So we've got this titration calculation. We're saying that the concentration of sulfuric acid was 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed, but we want to know the volume. So that makes this the target substance. I'm just going to make this green, not this weird sort of aqua color that I've got here. Well, that is the best green I'm going to get. Okay, fine. So that's the target substance. And then this is the known substance because I have the volume and the concentration, which means I could use these two to work out the moles. So this is my known substance. I can find stuff out about this. So first thing I'm going to do is find the volume of the known substance in decimeter cubed by converting this into decimeters cubed. Now, we looked at a while ago and we found out that 1,000 centimeters cubed is equal to one decimeter cubed. We did a brief lesson explaining why that was the case, but we won't do that again now. We'll just accept that is the case. And so 1 centimeter cubed would be equal to 1,000th of a decimeter cubed. So you're going to divide this 30 by 1,000, and that's my first step. So 30 centimeters cubed is equal to 0.03 decimeters cubed. So that's my sodium hydroxide volume. And I've got the concentration already. So the moles is equal to the concentration multiplied by the volume. So 0.150, the concentration, multiplied by the volume, 0.03. And that's the amount of moles. So that's step 2 done. Now we're going to go from the known to the target. So this step is where we use the balanced equation. So I'll look at the balanced equation, and I said it looks like whatever amount of moles of this I would have, I would need, or I would have, or whatever, there would be half as many of this. So it's 4.5 times 10 to the minus 3 of the known substance. So the target substance would be half of that, 2.25 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of that. That's step 3. Final step is calculate the volume of the target. So the volume is going to be the moles divided by the concentration. So the moles we've got just above, 2.25 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by the concentration which they've given us, and it was 0.2 divided by 0.2, and then you would put that into your calculator and see what that is. Now that is the volume in decimeters cubed. Now it's possible that they will want the answer in centimeters cubed, and so what you would do is times it by 1,000 to do that. Okay, so times it by 100 would just get rid of this. So times it by another 1,000 and by another 10, and it would bring us back to 11.25. So 11.25 centimeters cubed, or 1.125 times 10 to the minus 2 decimeter cubed. Okay.